Welcome one more day to Responsible Economy. Today, let's talk about Capital One. Capital One is the sixth largest commercial bank in the US with hundreds of branches and ATMs. We bring you a brand new video with all the features that Capital One offer in their checking account. It is called 360 Checking Account. Fees, ATMs, wire transfers, requirements, bonus, rates and all features. At the end of this video, you have a comparison with the best checking accounts you can open in the United States. Let's start. There are no monthly maintenance fees for the Capital One 360 checking account. There is also no need to make a minimum deposit or meet any other requirements. You can open the account both online and in branches. If you open it in person, you'll likely need two forms of ID, such as a driver's license, social security card, passport or birth certificate, and proof of address by way of a utility bill, mortgage statement, lease or similar document. So far, we see many differences with the big banks like Chase or Bank of America because Capital One allows you to open a checking account without commissions and without minimum requirements. The savings account offers 3-4% interest and the certificate of deposit 5%. Both the savings account and the deposit offer very high interest rates. There are few banks in the United States that offer these returns. If you hire a 5% deposit and have $50,000 invested, you will have a profit of $2,500 the first year. Capital One does not offer any welcome bonus when opening a checking account. Here we take a short break to tell you that both above and in the description, you have a very complete video with the best checking accounts that you can open in the United States. Okay, let's carry on with the options of taking money out with Capital One. One of the great advantages that Capital One offers is that you can withdraw money without fees at all Capital One ATMs, Allpoints and Manamas, including in select Target, Walgreens and CVS stores. You have more than 70,000 ATMs without commissions. Now you are seeing the rest of the features on the screen. You can send and receive money instantly with Zelle. Capital One has no overdraft commissions but has a very reduced service. You can choose between three options. Option 1. Auto decline. Capital One generally decline transactions that cause overdrafts on your account. Option 2. Free transfer. Automatic transfer of funds from your savings or money market account. Option 3. No fee overdraft. No fee on approved transactions that put your balance below $0. To qualify for no fee overdraft, you must deposit at least $250 during 2 of the previous 3 calendar months. This means a new account is not eligible right away. New accounts will not have access to no fee overdraft until the consistent deposit requirement has been met. At the earliest, new accounts will be able to access this service in the 3rd calendar month after the account was opened. Authors who have met the consistent deposit requirement deposit at least $250 into your checking account in 2 out of the 3 previous calendar months will have access to the no-fee overdraft service. Going forward, access depends on regularly depositing money into this account. You'll need to add at least $250 in 2 out of every 3 previous calendar months. Accounts that haven't met this will no longer have access to no-fee overdraft until the next month when you've met this requirement. These eligibility changes will go into effect on the 5th day of the next month. Your money is covered up to $250,000 by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. It is very important that we only contract financial products under the protection of the FDIC. The requirements to open a checking account are as follows. Must be over 18 years old. If you are under 18 years of age, you will need a parent or guardian as joint account holder of the checking account. Live in the United States. Open the account online or branches. Now you are seeing a summary with all the pros and cons. In the advantages we have highlighted that Capital One has a high number of branches. You have more than 755 branches in the United States. Also a high number of ATMs, you have more than 70,000 ATMs in the United States. No direct deposit or minimum balance required for account to be free. Offers very high interest on deposits and certificates of deposits. In the disadvantages we have highlighted that does not offer any welcome bonus. You should also know that with Capital One you have other accounts available. Checking account for children controlled by parents. Savings account to make the money we have profitable, and certificates of deposits to get an interest rate of up to 5%. After all the analysis carried out, we can say that the Capital One 360 checking account is one of the best checking accounts that you can open in the United States because it has no monthly commissions, it is not necessary to make direct deposits, and you can get an interest rate up to of 5%. In addition, it has a wide network of branches for those who still do not want to carry out operations online. We hope you liked this video, and if you have any questions, you can ask us, and we will try to solve it in less than 48 hours. Both here above and in the description we leave you a very complete video with the best checking accounts in the United States. You can also subscribe to receive videos every day and visit us at Responsible Economy website. Have a nice day.